to Moo Moo Math and Science. In this video, I'd like to go through the steps for solving a one-step equation. Let me go through the steps and then I'll work a couple example problems. First, I like to divide the problem into two sections by drawing a vertical line. Then you'll identify the operation in the problem and then decide what the inverse operation is and show the inverse on both sides. And then these inverse operations will undo one another and one side will be eliminated. And then you'll solve the value of the other side of the equal sign to get the answer. And then you box it and then we'll check our answer. Okay, you'll replace the variable in the original equation and solve. So let's work a couple examples and follow these steps, okay? So the first one-step equation I'd like to solve is x plus 97 equals 142. So what I'm going to do is I'll draw a line down the middle, okay? The operation is addition. So it's plus 97. So I'm going to do the inverse, which would be 90 minus 97. So I'm going to subtract 97 from both sides, okay? And 142 minus 97 is 45. 97 minus 97 is 0. So it becomes x equals 45, okay? And now I need to check it. So I'll plug the 45 into the x. So we have 45 plus 97 equals, and if you do the math, that equals 142. Okay? So there is one. Let's work another example problem. We have 63 equals m minus 59. I'm going to draw a line down the middle so we can see it. The operation is subtraction, so I'm going to do addition, add 59 to both sides, okay? And if I add this, 9, that gives 12, carry the 1, is 122 equals m, and these eliminate each other. I then will plug 122 into the m, so it is 63 is equal to 122 minus 59. If you take 122 minus 59, that equals 6 equals 63. So it is correct. Now these next two have multiplication and division, and it's the same thing. Step 1, I'll draw a line down the middle. 2, I'll identify my operation. It is multiplication, so I'm going to do division, divide by 16. So I'm going to divide by 16. So I'm going to move this over here. These two eliminate, so I'm left with j equals, and 304, yes, you can see that, divided by 16 equals, let's see if we can do that. 16 times 1 is 16. 30 minus 16 is 14. So that's 144, and 16 goes into 144 9 times. So j is equal to 19. Then we'll take 19 times 16 equals 304. And I cheated, and if you do multiply 19 times 16, that is 304. Okay? And finally, the last one, this is division. Again, do the same thing, line down the middle. Your order of operation is division, so I'll do multiplication times 14, okay? And then I have 13 times 14, and that will equal k, and 13 times 14, what do we have? We have 12, that's 52, and then this is 130, that's 2, 8, 1. So k equals 182. I then will check my work. So I have 13 equals 182 divided by 14. And again, I cheated. When you divide 182 divided by 14, that gives you 13. Okay? Anyway, That's how you solve one-step equations. Draw a line, identify the order of operation, and do the inverse. What you do to one side, you must do to the other, and then check your work. I hope that helps, and thanks for watching. And Moo Moo Math uploads a new math or science video every day. Please subscribe and share.